Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today, I want us to look at how to make deposit and withdrawal using the Ghana mobile money option. Back in the days, somewhere last year, we were using the local deposit option where you would send the funds to a merchant ID and then your funds will be credited. But this time around, we've upped our game and everything is done automatically. So once you log into your account, this is the interface that you are going to see. From there, you head to the finance area. Head to the finance area, and this is where the finance area is located. That is where the finance area is located. That's the finance area. You head to the finance area, right? You head to that finance area and you click on it. It will take you to the area where deposit and withdrawal is being done. Okay. It will take you to the area where deposit and withdrawal is being done. So over here is the area where you can make your deposit. All right. Here is the withdrawal area. Here is where you add your wallet. And then here is the history of your transfers, the history of the transactions that you've made on your account. Okay. So we have the theta option, that is the USDT option. We have the Ghana mobile money, we have the Zota, we have the bank card, and then we have other electronic systems. Okay, so you can use Skrill, you can use Perfect Money, you can use Litefinance, you can use Advanced Cash. The cryptocurrencies, we have a whole lot of cryptos that one can use to make your deposits. Okay, then we have the local deposits. That is the Ghana mobile money, and that is what I want us to use today. Okay, so once you click on the Ghana mobile money, it will tell you that this option is available for all networks. So regardless of the network that you are on, this service is available for you. Unlike the earlier one that was mainly just MTN users, but now it is open to all the networks available in Ghana. Now, you select the trading account you want to make the deposit in. I want to make it in the this ECN2 account, the MT4 ECN2 account. You input the amount you want to send. Now, the minimum amount that is possible for you to send over here is $10, and the rate is 11.5. So you see here, the minimum payment is $115, okay? And the currency here is in cedis because Ghana mobile money is in cedis, all right? So I'm going to input the minimum amount over there, and you see you receive what, $10. Okay, so when I click on continue, let's see what will pop up. So once I click on continue, a pop-up will appear containing the information on how I'll be able to make my deposit using the MTN. Okay, so you see over here, you've been given a terminal ID and then how to pay. So you just dial the numbers over here on your handset. Okay, so whether you're using MTN, whether you're using Tigo, whether you're using Vodafone, just dial the numbers over here. So this one, it gave me *203 star, the terminal ID for star, and then the amount involved, and then hash. So you can just copy this one straight away, and then you paste it on your phone, and then you dial it, or you can just type it on your device and then dial it. I'm dialing it on my device, and once I'm done, you see my account to be credited automatically. Okay, so I'm dialing it. Okay, so I'm now inputting my password. So what you would notice is that once you key in this codes or these numbers over here, you'll be given a notification to approve the transaction. Once you approve the transaction, a notification would then be given that you will soon receive a command from MTN, like the prompt from MTN. And the prompt comes in, then you finalize everything. Okay. So now I have finished depositing. And once I leave this space, my deposit should reflect right away. Once I leave the screen, the deposit will reflect right away. Okay, so let me close it. And then it will take me back to the account or the trading account area. Okay, so now my deposit is done. You are just done with your deposit. There are instances where, due to network challenges, it may delay a little bit, about 2 or 3 minutes, because you all know how this telecommunication networks in a way behaves. All right. So that is how a deposit, or that is how your deposit is done using the local deposit option. Okay. So you see, I have my deposited funds reflected over here. Okay, good. Now, you see, I deposited $10, but I've gotten 10.10. The reason is when you send money using mobile money, you are being charged the e-levy, the 1% e-levy, and the brokerage firm have taken upon themselves to refund the 1% for you. Okay, so 1% of this $10 is what this 10 cents over there. That's why you're seeing $10.10. All right. So that is how we make deposit on Litefinance using the local deposit option. Thank you all. Enjoy your day.